Let's start by drawing a big curved body like a banana shape. Add a fin on top, a tail at the end, and two fins on the sides. Then, draw a smiling face with two big eyes. Now, color the dolphin bright blue. The tummy can be white or light blue, and the mouth pink. Make the eyes shiny and happy. Perfect! Our dolphin looks playful and ready to jump out of the water. Great job, you made a friendly dolphin friend. First, draw a round head with two big eyes on top. Add a wide smile and a round body. Then, draw for legs, with the back legs bent, ready to hop. Now color the frog green. The tummy can be a lighter green and the mouth red. Make the eyes white with black pupils. Wonderful! Our frog looks cheerful and ready to jump on a lily pad. Well done, you made a happy little frog friend.